Finally, we come to transposition. Transposition is basically where you've written a progression in a certain key and you want to change that progression to another key, for example, or you might be playing a song and the vocalist is finding it hard to pitch that song in their range, so what you have to do is transpose that song to a different key, higher or lower, so that it's more comfortable and more effective for the vocalist. So here's an example. Let's assume we've got a song in the key of C major. We know all our chords, we know all our notes. Well, let's say we want to transpose that to A major. All we do is we turn the middle two wheels like that, so where we were playing a C major, we'll now play an A major. Where we were playing D minor, we'll now play B minor. E minor becomes C sharp minor. F major becomes D major. G major becomes E major. A minor becomes F sharp minor. And B diminished becomes G sharp diminished. And that is how easy it is to transpose pieces of music and songs using a music wheel. You simply turn to the key that you want to transpose to, and you of course can experiment, so you can do this very, very quickly. So if you can't find the key for the vocalist straight away, you will very quickly be able to transpose to another key up or down and get where you need to be. The other thing about transposition is it can make songs sound different. Just changing the key can make a song sound different, so it's something that's well worth knowing and experimenting with.